Hello, good day and welcome. I will be answering NECO 2019 Office Practice Past Question, question 33. The day-to-day activities of public services are carried out by A. Administrators, B. Auxiliary staffs, C. Clerical staff, D. Executive officers, and E. Professionals. Now, who are the administrators? Now, the administrators are those that provide administrative support for the smooth running of a business organization. So the administrators are those that gives administrative support to the smooth running of a business or administration or a public service. Now, the auxiliary staff are mostly referred to as volunteers. They're mostly referred to as volunteers. They provide help. That is, they help in various activities in the public service, but they are not this one with the sole responsibility of carrying out the day-to-day activities. Now, C says clerical staffs. Now, clerical staffs are those concerned with with the routine duties in an office. That is, they are concerned with the routine duties of a public service or business organization. That is, they are the one with the sole responsibility of carrying out the day-to-day activities in a public service. That is the work of the clerical staff. Now, this is executive officers. The executive officers are those concerned with making major corporate decision and managing of overall operations of an organization. So this is the job of the executive officers. Theirs is just to make major corporate decisions concerning any organization. Now, professionals, these are those professionals simply refers to those that are skilled in their profession. We call them professionals because they are skilled. They are extremely skilled. That is, they have all the skill required in their professions. Now, the question says the day-to-day activities of public service are carried out by C. Clerical staff. They are concerned with the routine duties of any organization. Clerical staff are the staffs or are the people or workers concerned with the routine duties of a public service. That is, the day-to-day activities of this public service is carried out by the clerical staffs, and that is option C, which is the answer to this question. Thank you and God bless you, and subscribe to our channel for more videos.